everyone, this is me Supriya and I'm back with another video, and in this video we are going to be making Miya's boots and the braces, which is actually the easiest part of this costume. So without further ado, let's get into the tutorial. So for the boots I'm using this white fox fur over here. And I will cut this in a square form with a dimension of 15 by 15 inches. So before cutting it, I will make a square onto the fabric with the help of a black marker. The square is ready now. And then I'm going to use this brown fabric in order to cut thin strips out of it. These strips will help me secure this white fox fur onto my legs. So I already had these red boots and knee length socks, so I'm going to pair it up with this costume. And now I'm going to work on the bracers. Cutting a square out of 3 mm EVA foam sheet with a dimension of 10 by 10 inches. So this part is going to be the foundation of the braces. And then I will cut this part into the desired shape. Now I will cut thin curved strips out of this 3 mm EVA foam sheet in order to add some detailing. Make sure you apply adhesive on both of the parts. Making crisscross cuts onto the thin strips in order to add some more detailing and to enhance the overall look. Applying heat gun onto the detailing. Now spray painting it with the help of a brown spray paint. Using green ribbon in order to make two cute bows. Making these bows can be a tricky thing, so if you want me to upload a separate tutorial, let me know in the comments down below. Now we are going to add these bows onto these thin strips. Covering the remaining half portion of the bracer with the white fox fabric. And here I am cutting the extra part of the fox fur from the bracer. In order to secure these bracers onto the wrist, we are going to tie it with the thin strips. Using a red set fabric over here in order to create thin strips, and then we are going to make frills out of it. Last but not the least, we're going to attach these frills to the inside of the braces. And finally, the braces are ready. But wait, in order to enhance the whole look of the bracer, we're going to dust it with the golden powder. And I think it's looking better now. So that's all for today's video, and I hope you guys like this tutorial. And in the next video, we will be making the whole costume, which is going to be the last part of the series. So do not forget to like, share and subscribe and stay tuned to Cosplay Genie. Follow for more. See you next time. Bye bye.